observe your seventh problem. State true or false. Here they have given some statements here. We have to check whether these statements are true or false. Okay. See, first one. The expression 8a has two terms. The expression 8a. So, expression 8a. See, observe this one, 8a. This is a multiplication of 8 and a, right? Here we have no sign in between, like in between these two variables, like addition or subtraction. 8a means 8 into a. So, this will come under, 8a will come under one term. So, what they are saying here, the expression 8a has two terms. So, no, this is false. Okay. This is false. Only we have one term only. Now see this one, 6 plus xy is a trinomial. 6 plus xy. Okay. So this is a one term, this is one term. So how many terms we have in total? Two terms. But what they are saying? Trinomial. Trinomial means having three terms. But we are having here only two terms. So what is this one? According to this, what is this one? 6 plus xy is a binomial, not a trinomial. So this is also false. Okay. Now see, 3ab is a binomial. 3ab is 3 into a into b. This will come under only one term. This will come under one term only. So this will come under monomial, not a binomial. Binomial means you must have two terms like this. 6 plus xy is there na? 6 plus xy. So like that you have to get two terms in an algebraic expression. Then only we can say that given expression is a binomial. So here we have only one term. So it will come under monomial. So this is not a binomial. So this is also false. Okay. Next, see this one. 5xy and 6axy are unlike terms. Okay. 5xy. So like terms, unlike terms. While talking about like terms and unlike terms, you have to leave the numerical part and observe the variable part only. Here we have xy. And observe this one, 6axy. Here we have xy. Here we are also having here xy. But along with this xy, we have one more variable here, that is a. One more variable, that means axy. Apart from this numerical part, 6, we have axy, not xy. Okay, another variable is also there, three variables, a, x, y. So, though you have xy here, but you have complete three variables here. Here we have only two variables. Here we have, in 6a, xy, we have three variables. So, these two are not equal. So, they are not like terms. So, what they are saying here, 5xy and 6a, xy are unlike terms. So, this is true. They are unlike terms only, not like terms. Understood? Now see the next one, a square b and minus b a square are like terms. So what they have given, observe once again, a square b. Here we have no numerical part, so leave that one. A square b. So we must have a square b only. Here we have sign minus a and a square b. You have to leave that sign part also. Okay. Only you have to look for the variables only. Okay, understood? Now see, a square b we have here, though we have minus here. So leave that one and check for the same variables. So here we have b a square. This is nothing but a square b only. So these two are like terms. Understood? So this is true. So now come to the next one, xy and minus yx are like terms. xy and minus x. Minus yx. Okay. So this is also like terms. So this is also true. So both xy is equal to yx. Next, see this one, 6 and 6p are unlike terms. Right. So here we have 6. Here we have 6p. So leave that numerical part here. So here we have 1p. Here nothing is there. No p is there. So these two are unlike terms only. Okay. So whatever they have given, that is true. Okay. Now see the remaining problems. X and minus x are unlike terms. So here x and minus x. See x here. Here also we have x. Both are same only. So these two are like terms, not unlike terms here. So whatever they have given, that is a false. These two are like terms. Understood? Now see, minus yx and 2yx are like terms. Only you have to look for the variables. Yx here, here also yx. So same, like terms, so true. Okay. Now see, the coefficient of y in minus xy is minus 5. Coefficient of y. So here they have, in particular they are asking coefficient of y. Okay. So coefficient of y here means whatever they have asked for y here, right? So leave that one and you have to write the remaining part as coefficient. Here what they have written here, minus 5 only. They haven't written x here. So this is a false. What is the coefficient here? Coefficient of y is equal to minus 5x, not 5. Okay, not minus 5. Here they have given minus 5. This is not correct here. So you have to write minus 5x. Okay.